अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम करती हूँ मैं आज आपको अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में। इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे बात करूँगी फ़ेरारी 250 GTO कार के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलिएगा, ताकि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए अपनी वीडियो का आगाज़ करते हैं। The Ferrari 250 GTO is the GT car produced of the Ferrari from in 1962 and 1964 for the homologations into the FIA group and 3 Grand Tour racing. In the car category, it was the powered off by Ferrari TPO. The 250, it is the name of Destino displacement in the cubia centimeters of each. It is the caliders. GTO stand for the Gran Turismo and Oblate Italian for the Grand Touring in the Homeland. Just 36 of the 250 GTO were manufactured between in 1962 and 1964. This includes in 33 cars with the 1962 and 3 bodywork series and 3 with in 1966 in the series. Bodywork similars of the Ferrari 250 ml of 4 of the olders in the series car were updating in 1964 within series second bodies. When the new of 250 GTO cost in United States with the buyers personally approved in the Enzo Ferrari in the declare of North American in the model of since became in the highly desired automobile collectors and sales of the Harry rebranding set price in records. The current records of the world most expensive Ferrari was sent in June 2018 and when in the 1963 250 GTO chassis in was sold as a private sale for $70 million. In 2004, Sports Car International placed the 250 GTO 8 in the one list top sports car of the 1960 and nominated it was top sports for car all time. Similarly, Motor Trending Classic placed in 250 GTO first on the list of the greatest Ferraris of all time. Popular Machines named it was the hottest car all of the time. The 250 GTO was designed of the competed in group in 3 GT racing, where it in the rivals would including in the Chevrolet Cobra and Jaguar E-Type and Aston Martin of the DP214 in development of the 250 GTO was headed by the chief engineer of GTO Bisran in although Bisrini if in usually credit at the designer of the 250 GTO he had most other Ferrari in the engineers of were fired in 1962 due to the deposit of Ezio Ferrari in the further development of the 250 GTO was overseen by new engineer Marco Forgi, who worked in the satellite of continued development of the body and design of the car was collaborator in the Acribi is as a single person. The mechanical aspects of 250 GTO were relevantly constructive at the time of introductions in using engine and chassis. Comments were provided in the earlier competition cars. The chassis of the car was based on the 250 GTO swap with the minor difference of the frame structures and geometry in the reduced weight stiffness and lower in the chassis. The car was built round-handed in the well-tube frame of the incorporation and form of the real axle in the wind linkage of the Berks and Burani wire wheels in the engine of the race Provence Tipu. The winners in all any designs of the utilized dry jump and 60 size of the approximate in the foundation of his design effort on the cars and fundamentals, an attempt of the improved top speed in the stability. The body design was informed by wind tunnel testing of Pisa University as well as road of the tracing test of the several prototypes, and the resulting all aluminium bodywork had a long long nose, small riders and indistinguishable of the intakes on the nose with removable covers. Early testing result in the addition of the rear spoilers and underside of the covered by the belly and pan of the head, additional spoiler and details form of the fuel tankers and over trims in design of 250 GTO was the major technicals of the composed in the previous Ferrari GT cars, and it was the line with temporary developments of the manufacturer, such as a lot of bodies were constructed of the selected with the expectations of earlier bodies with bodies constructed house of the Ferrari by of the Afina case of the cars and productions. Many colors with the famous of being bright in the red roses China, and the interior of the reflected the racing intersection. There is the splendor seats of the cloth and neither incorporating nor if the idler was installed. Crypto variations in the exteriors in half of exposed metal gate defined in the shifted pattern became the farrier of replace in the straining columns and mounting new borders shift in the 2000 cc. ओके गाइज़, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट्स करें और अपने दोस्तों और फैमिली के साथ इसको शेयर करें और अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।